Hey everyone, it's Stephanie. I'm back with another home DIY project. This upholstery bench is one of my favorite projects. It's perfect to place at the end of your bed, under a window, or you can even pull it up to a dining room table for some extra seating. The materials all cost under $60. I bought these legs from a local architectural salvage shop. The upholstery materials I bought from Joann Fabrics, and the lumber is from Home Depot. So it's a very fun and easy project. I'm breaking this down into 8 simple steps so that you can follow along too. These are the tools that you'll need for the upholstered bench. Here's a list of the lumber that I used to make the base of the bench. Step 1. Cut materials. I bought all of my lumber at Home Depot, and if you don't have a saw at home, they can cut the boards for you if you have the dimensions ready. The legs I bought at a local architectural salvage shop. You can find similar ones online or at Home Depot. The dimensions that I provided are for a bench that is 48 inches by 16 inches. Step 2. Drill pocket holes and sand base. Drill pocket holes in each of the support pieces. You should drill 2 pocket holes in each end and 2 to 3 pocket holes along the top of each framing piece. Drilling pocket holes along the top will allow you to screw the framing pieces into the upholstered bench seat. If you're using a Craig jig, set it to 3/4 of an inch depth. Sand all the base trim pieces and legs. I used my hand sander for the frame pieces and a sanding block for the legs. Step 3. Assemble base. Lay out the 4 frame pieces and screw these pieces into the legs using 1.5 inch pocket screws. Set the base next to the wall so you can securely screw everything together. Step 4. Stain or paint base. I used a natural stain for the frame pieces and legs, as well as a satin polyurethane on top. Step 5. Secure 2-inch foam to plywood. Cut the foam using a scissors so that it fits on the 48 inch by 16 inch plywood. Use spray adhesive to secure the foam to the wood. Step 6. Staple batting and fabric. Lay out the batting so it's nice and flat on the ground. Cut rectangles in each of the corners. Fold the batting over and staple to the back of the plywood, making sure that it's nice and tight. Cut off the extra batting. Just like the batting, lay out the fabric so it's nice and flat on the ground. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Start stapling the fabric onto the plywood on one side, then moving to the opposite side. Be sure to pull the fabric as tight as you can and staple every inch or so. Cut the corners like this picture. Step 7. Attach upholstered top. After the base is completely dry, attach the upholstered top to your bench by using the pre-drilled pocket holes. Flip the entire bench over and drill into the plywood top using 1.5-inch pocket screws.